He's got a good channel, though, I have to admit. I won't mention his name on here. Something to do with Tony. But remember these things? Why did I buy an oil can spout? Even though nobody uses them. Bought this because I have one in my store hanging on the ceiling. I figured, you know what? Why not? Let's hang another one. I picked this one up in a box of stuff. Picked up another giant bastard file. And this one has no name on it, but it's a really nice big one. And looks like it needs a vapor rust, because that's how I do it on my files. I also got this one, which looks like it's just a piece of wood stuffed in it. They don't look like they're any high-tech file, any crazy name brands, but they look like they're in good condition. So I picked up all 3 of these files, or 2 of these files in that. Oh yeah, I got what else? Oh yeah, that's for next video. So yeah, anybody remember these things? Like, I'm not so old that I remember using them on a car, but I'm old enough to remember my grandfather having a gas station and seeing the old oil cans on the window and having people put them in there and just for the plastic cans. You would think they would still use this. You might ask, what? Why? Because, well, one, you produce plastic. The oil cans were metal, completely recyclable. Plastic's just a pain in the ass environment. You don't put a cap on the can either. I mean, I have an old oil can in my store. It's what? How old? Old Valvoline one. Thing hasn't rusted. It's still good, and the oil's still good. And that you got these scrappy ass plastic oil cans that break open, crack open, the plastic degrades, and there's going to be no plastic oil cans in 50 years because they're just going to fall apart. But that's enough ranting. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video.